Hi, I'm Elliot Green, founder of Tantrum Lab. I'm here with Steffan today to talk about learning styles. I'll let Steffan introduce himself. Steffan, what do you do here?
My name's Steffan. I am a software engineer here at Tantrum Lab. I also have a background in psychology. I studied there at LSU. I studied their psychology science degree, and I did a lot of research into learning outcomes.
Okay, that's interesting. So you went to LSU, you got a degree in psychology, and then you decided to become a programmer.
Yep, so it goes. I've been a nerd ever since I was a kid, and I just felt I needed a shift.
All right. So we've learned a lot from you in terms of how people learn. What I'd like to try and do is very briefly learn a little bit about that and share that with other people. So what are I think I'm a visual learner. Is that right or wrong?
Well, so there's a lot of recent evidence that makes the scientific consensus say that the classical understanding of learning types, like visual, auditory, that kind of thing, it's all hocus pocus. Total myth. It has no place in science.
Okay.
Yeah, pretty hardcore.
All right. So did you just make that theory up, or how?
I did not. That is the current scientific consensus found in experiential data, working through actual experiments in labs. That is the current consensus.
Okay. All right. So if we've thrown that out, what does that mean? How do people learn?
Right. So the current understanding is that the best way to get people to learn a thing is to get them engaged. More than anything, it's focus and engagement. If you can get them engaged in the topic, no matter how you do it, that will make them learn.
Okay. So we're obviously biased here because we create virtual reality training tools, which, no shocker, we're obviously trying to suggest are a great way to learn. But what you're saying is, scientifically and independently, it is proven to be a better way to learn.
Absolutely. They found that it engages lots of different senses in a way that you can't get in a lecture setting or even in a lab at college. It engages many more senses so that you're more engaged, you're in the situation, which tells the brain, hey, now is a time to take what you're seeing, what you're doing, and save that. Remember this.
Okay. So you've actually put together a presentation that we're going to put on the website, and you'll be able to click around and find that. And then what else is in that presentation?
It's got some basic ideas of how people learn, some of the old school theories that we still look at, like Gestalt theory and constructivism. And in there I've got links to articles that support those, scientific articles, and some that are more summary articles. But I have all the evidence in there. Feel free to look at them, read through them for yourself. But the major takeaway is that scientifically proven, VR is more engaging than a lecture setting, and therefore, if engagement drives better learning, VR is better for learning.
Okay, there you have it. Steffan said it. Must be true. All right, I hope that you enjoyed this really quick, short video. We're going to keep doing some more of these. And yeah, absolutely. Have a click through, go to our website, check us out. If you see something you like, let's get in touch. We're here to talk. Thanks.